Welcome, Curious Minds. Today we're doing a deep dive into the absolute cutting edge of healthcare. We're pulling the key insights for you from the weekly digital health segment by White Coat Hackers Media. Our goal here is really to cut through the noise, give you the critical developments in medtech that actually matter right now.
Exactly. We've sifted through the latest in biomedical, biotech, digital health, all that stuff. We want to make sure you walk away understanding what's really shaping the future of medicine. Think of it as your essential update. So, yeah, let's get into it.
Okay, first up, something that could really change how new drugs get developed. We're looking at Komodo Health, the big healthcare data analytics player, teaming up with Anervea.ai. And this feels like more than just, another standard partnership.
Oh, absolutely. What's really interesting here is Anervea.ai building its AI applications directly on Komodo's MapLab platform. And Komodo's healthcare map, it's not just a static database. It's dynamic, anonymized data from millions of patient journeys. So Anervea.ai can analyze real-world data almost instantly, stuff that usually takes years to gather.
Right. So it's not just faster drug development. It's smarter. Yeah, more predictive. Imagine life sciences teams using AI for, predicting if a trial will even work, forecasting market success early on, simulating pricing, getting real-time regulatory insights. This could cut down R&D time and costs dramatically, getting treatments to patients way faster.
Exactly. Huge potential there.
Okay, so if AI is refining how we find treatments, how's that precision showing up in patient care? Like in rehab. That brings us to XR Health. They do immersive therapeutics with extended reality, VR, and AR, and now they've partnered with Chemtai.
Yeah, this tackles a really persistent problem in rehab, getting good, consistent feedback. Chemtai adds AI computer vision to XR Health's virtual setup. So while you're doing exercises in VR, the AI is analyzing your movements right there in real time. It gives you performance scores, tells you how to correct your form.
Wow, okay. So immediate data-driven coaching. Very different from maybe seeing a therapist once a week. Picture recovering from surgery, maybe managing a neurological issue, and getting that instant personalized feedback at home.
Yeah.
Makes PT more engaging, right? And more effective, probably.
Definitely. And what's cool is XR Health is also using this for behavioral therapy, too, like for PTSD or OCD. Shows how versatile the tech is.
Interesting. Okay, next up, let's talk cancer. A tech bio company, One Biosciences. They just landed $17.5 million in funding for their oncology platform. And this sounds like taking precision medicine really deep.
It really is. Their focus is single-cell tumor transcriptomic profiling. So instead of averaging data from thousands of cells like traditional methods, they look at each individual cell, which is critical because tumors aren't uniform, right? They're a mix of different cells. Some might resist treatment. Analyzing each cell's gene expression, its transcriptome, helps pinpoint those resistance mechanisms or specific vulnerabilities. It's incredibly granular.
And the speed is key, too, isn't it?
Yes. Their AI platform, OneMap, they say it generates actionable insights in just 2 weeks.
2 weeks to guide treatment choices.
Exactly. And finding predictive biomarkers, those signals that show if a patient will likely respond to a specific drug. Their OneCure platform helps pharma partners target trials better, focus on patients most likely to benefit.
So, faster drug approval, truly tailored cancer treatment. That's the goal.
That's the promise, yeah.
Okay, our final deep dive today looks at comprehensive women's health care. TIA, they're known for integrating primary care with GN, mental health, wellness. They're now partnering with Talkspace.
This tackles that fragmentation problem in healthcare, which really impacts women trying to get holistic support, especially for mental health. TIA already did psychiatric med management, but adding Talkspace means they can bring in psychotherapy services seamlessly. It helps create much better continuity of care. Mental health becomes part of the overall picture, not separate.
Right, breaking down those silos. So you could have your primary care, GYN stuff, and mental health support all coordinated, plus the convenience of remote therapy phone, video, text. Seems like a really practical step towards making comprehensive care easier for women.
It really does integrate things nicely.
So wrapping this up, what's the big picture for you, our listeners? We've seen AI speeding up drug discovery, XR transforming rehab with real-time feedback, and these integrated care models making healthcare more holistic, particularly for women.
Yeah, the common thread, I think, is technology enabling more precise, more accessible, and definitely more personalized healthcare. It makes you wonder, doesn't it? As these technologies keep advancing and merging, how will our whole idea of health and wellness change? Maybe less focus on just treating sickness and more on proactive, really individualized well-being.
That's a great thought to leave people with. If you found these insights useful and you want to keep up with these kinds of developments, Make sure you don't miss future updates from Weekly Digital Health. Go ahead and subscribe to the White Coat Hackers Media channel to keep getting these essential deep dives.